What's up, guys? Ish back again. I guess I gotta change this whole intro. Anyways, alright, so it's the morning of 7:41. About to go take the truck to get dropped off to get this transformation done to it. My boy Bevel's here. I'm gonna write his YouTube in the corner somewhere. He don't know his damn name, but he's a motorcycle racer, so y'all go show him some love. Get him rich, then I can get rich. Right now I'm just like going through my GoPro stuff so I can start recording these videos. But anyways, alright, who cares about that? So, you know, I kinda need that. I need to mount y'all up somewhere in my truck so y'all can watch me. Or something. I guess I use this one. It's kinda curved. Just weird. I wouldn't even be able to turn it with this mount, will I? That's weird too. Down loose. I got all these things. None of these are gonna sit. I think I should be okay because it's gonna kind of, you know, whatever it does. Get one of these things. We're good to go. I'm not even. All right, cool. Yeah. All right. So, Alexa, turn off the light. Lock the front door. Oh, let me grab my tablet. That's Bevel right there. Motorcycle racer Bevel. That's his name on YouTube. That's his new name. I gave it to him. All right, guys. I'm gonna give you guys just a quick little walk around of the truck one last time. Show you guys what it is, what it ain't. Kind of dark here. Very dark here, actually. My barge is a mess, don't mind it. Jesus Christ. That's two. Some fender liners for the truck when it gets back. It's a freaking disaster in here, guys. That's two. Truck, the wheels. Oh boy. Yeah. Alright. Oh, bad. She goes again. Let's do a little cold start this morning. Alright, guys. So we just pulled up. Chaotic. This is the dude right there. Wheels. Shop. Big ass truck over there. All that off-roading shit and stuff. Alright, go ahead and unload these wheels. So I don't break my back. Get a good look at it. Last time she's gonna look like this. Goes. We out. So we're in the K Series EM2. Feel me? Oh shit. Oh god. Yo, you know how to get the FedEx?
You know how to use your seatbelt on?
You gotta turn U-turn right here.
Oh, for you gotta
Yeah. Yo, these right here? That's
actually 5 horsepower.
Yeah.
As they approach, gotta be patient and trust in God. He the coach. Temptations are taking a strong.
Well then, guys. So right now, I got to my brother's job. Oh, my leg. All right, so I got to my brother's job. He works at FedEx. Excuse me. So, a little background story. The kid was supposed to come in yesterday. All right, we're gonna do that again. All right, a little background story. So the kid was supposed to come in yesterday. Half the kid came in, but it was shipped through FedEx. So my brother, he works for FedEx, so he was able to get the packages before like it hit the truck, so I didn't have to wait for them. So right here we go. Perfect, yo. My brother is the freaking MVP. So I'm gonna load these up and I'll be back. So we're back at Chaotic. Grabbing the rest of the box and stuff. Look, they already got this shit. Nah, they don't fuck around. This is the man himself.
It'll be done by lunchtime.
Oh shit, y'all hear that? By lunchtime. They don't fuck around here. This is Chaotic in DeBerry. Guys, so we're back. Oh shit, we got some dogs running up over here.
Stop, Nanny.
Go, take your big brolic ass over
Chill
there.
out.
Go, no,
Nanny,
go.
chill out.
Both of y'all.
Don't play, man.
Go.
Leave him alone.
Who
Roxy.
Somebody opened the door and did this on purpose.
Roxy. Yeah, I'm sure it was my dad.
Yeah. Cabrón.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Alright, so yeah. So we're at Bell's crib. The shop. Look at this guy. Look at this. I feel like I'm at like Seminole Time Power Sports or something. Is that Tito?
No, that's definitely not. Oh, that's Tito. Yeah, that is Tito. You're right. It's Tito.
Guys, listen, don't do drugs in school. So this is his race bike that he's putting together. Just installing this little WeGo thing here.
Actually, I can actually turn it on for them.
There's all these crazy lines and stuff, and that little thing down there is new. Yeah, he got the gel battery. This is like a gel battery, right? Or lithium battery, or whatever?
That's that's a featherweight battery. It don't weigh nothing but a feather. Super
Wow.
light. Turn it on real quick so you can hear it. Probably still too early. Oh, sorry, can't turn it on. I forgot. I gotta put the fuel pump on.
Where do you guys go?
Fuel cell.
Jesus.
Because right about this. This is.
Dude, where's the hash?
He's not here. I don't know where he is.
Oh, he already fixed it?
Yeah, Tito está ahí.
So we're back.
Because there's supposed to be a calibration setup for this I gotta do.
We got the fuel tank
But
on
I
there.
haven't turned her on for a while, so I wanted to turn it on.
That's the face of disappointment, guys.
Gotta get fuel running through the system. It has no fuel in the line.
Mm-hmm.
That is a case of disappointment now because she never did this.
Oh, guys, you see here.
Is there even fuel in this or am I tripping? That's a case of disappointment right there. I'm gonna be upset because I think the gallons, I'm gonna use the rest of the gas in the gallon too. I got my light on there. Yeah, there's definitely enough to turn her on. So, it could only mean two things. And I'm gonna show you why. I put two new things on the bike, which is this system and this system. But this one entirely can make the system not want to work. But I hear the fuel going through, so I don't understand why.
Hey, brother. Yo, we got John in the building. You know what I'm saying? You know your shit fast when you got no door panels and a computer in the front seat. This shit. These dudes do a little bit of everything. Little. That single cam? Let's pop this. Let's pop the hood on this thing. Oh! Damn! UK series, baby. You got a little traction bar down there.
So hold on, they don't have a thing, right?
K-tuned Johns. K-tuned. 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 Let me show you guys. Bevel Tech, related to Miggy Tech work. Oh shit, that doesn't look normal. Good thing my boy didn't die.
This is the sway bar, bitch.
Nah, bro, he was swaying. I seen him swaying on the way in. This doesn't look nice. Y'all see this? Jeez. He just got the 3.5-inch leveling kit installed by Bevel Tech. He's a prodigy of Miggy Tech. Let me stop giving Miggy Tech clout on my YouTube channel. Huh? Yeah, bro. This is Jada Tech over here. He's checking his email and tuning his car at the same time. We'll be back. Alright guys, so wheels are put on. Looks badass. I got these stocks for sale for $1,000 if anybody wants them. Now he's not selling the stocks. Yeah, it looks good.
It has to be with this, honestly, because from what I know, these lights usually light up blue somewhere on here too.
This isn't still working.
To show you that the shit is working, but
all right, guys.
The blooper.
So
there was a blooper.
He had a blooper. Let's see.
I wasn't paying attention that there should be a power wire on this box. So at this point, I think I found the blooper. We are now getting blue lights.
We got blue lights over there. Okay.
Everything's still working. Let's see if she starts.
So they just called me, well they text me, the truck's ready. I dropped that truck off at 8:16. It is now 10:56 and the truck is ready. Send me a picture, it's right there. We're gonna see what the truck looks like when we pull up. I gotta drop it off to get aligned. Well, I'll be waiting for it to get aligned. And yeah, I'll be done pretty much with that. Next is definitely gonna be like some rock lights, maybe some wheel lights. This person watching me, kind of weird. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys. So we're about to pull in to the shop now. Oh, I just dropped my phone. About to pull into the shop. Check it out. They're out here talking shit about my truck. I'm like, yeah. And look, all his nuts and bolts loose. I don't own rights to this music. YouTube don't try to ban me. Alright, it wasn't part of the thing. We'll check it out. Alright, here we go. Alright guys. Alright, alright. Took these guys 3 hours. 2 hours. Fucking crazy. I might have to bleep that out. Check it out, guys. This is chaotic off-road in the Barry. Check it out, guys. They did that shit so quick. And they got something else they're doing over there. Oh. So, little update. Just drove the truck for the first time. Rubs like hell. I'm at Gus's tire shop. About to get the alignment done on it. My boy Fredo here. He's the fucking man. He done the whole alignment. Yo, say what up to YouTube, dog. This is Gus's tires in the Berry. Kid, jeez, this thing rubbed like a mother. Guys, what's up? I'm back. All right, so just drove the truck after getting it aligned, getting a lot of stuff trimmed up. It rides like complete shit. Probably should have went with a better tire or a low profile tire, but it's a horrible ride. I hate it. It looks really good. I'm really happy with the way it looks, but it rides like complete dog shit. So this is definitely something that I would not recommend you to do if you care about your ride quality, because it's going to go to shit. But I was driving and there was like vaginas flying out of the sky, so it's really nice. You know, don't tell my wife I said that. But yeah, I'm happy with how it looks. But yeah, it rides like ass. But look at that shit. I can do whatever I need to without even jacking the truck up.
I don't like this at all.
Oh boy, I'll be back.